Hello, we have an Arduino chip, a servo motor, and a water level sensor. So in real world, this is the source of water. It acts like tap in real world, and this is the water tank that we have in our building tops. This is water sensor, as you can see. So, and this is a buzzer. It creates sound, an alarming sound. And here comes our servo motor. It really does a good job because when the water gets filled up in the tank, it will turn certain degrees and it will physically turn off the tap. If we use motor systems to fill up our tank, we can use relay and the switch of motor so that we can automatically turn off the switch. This is Arduino code from laptop. We will send it from here to this Arduino chip here, and with right connections we have a working mechanism. So let's see how this actually works. Let's add water in the tank, virtual tank actually. So look at this, as the water is getting filled up, when it comes into the level of that water sensor, just listen carefully. Look at this. So my servo is quite it's like damaged, so I'm not uh, I could not show you the servo, but if we use the right servo, it will turn the switch off. Let's add more, so it will beep for a certain time interval in case the water is not completely filled, and if the water is filled like up to this. So this is actually overflow sensor kind of thing. So I will work on more robust and more controllable systems in the future to observe the water levels of the tanks. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. You may like, comment or subscribe.